Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play your Nintendo Switch on your computer. The only way to achieve this is by using a capture card. First, connect your Nintendo Switch dock to the capture card using an HDMI cable. Then, use a USB cable to link the capture card to your computer. This essential device acts as a bridge, converting the Switch's video and audio into a format your computer can display. You'll need one HDMI cable and one USB cable for this initial setup, ensuring a stable connection for optimal performance. Once your hardware is connected, the next step is installing the appropriate capture software on your computer. Popular options include OBS Studio or Elgato Game Capture HD. Open the software and select your capture card as the primary video and audio input source. For the clearest picture, set the video resolution to 1080 pixels and the frame rate to 60 frames per second. Don't forget to adjust the audio settings to ensure you can hear your game sound through your computer's output devices, providing a complete gaming experience. When playing your Switch on your computer, it's important to understand that there will be a slight input delay, usually around 50 to 100 milliseconds, due to the capture process. To minimize this, invest in a low-latency capture card and optimize your computer's display settings. For the most immediate response, some capture cards offer a pass-through port, allowing you to connect a separate gaming monitor directly. This setup provides the best of both worlds: a low-latency display for gameplay and your computer screen for streaming or recording, enhancing your overall experience. To further enhance your gaming experience, consider routing your game audio through a quality headset connected to your computer for immersive sound. Always keep your capture card drivers and capture software updated to ensure smooth operation and access to the latest features. If you encounter any technical glitches, a good first step is to double-check all cable connections and restart both your Nintendo Switch and your computer. These simple troubleshooting steps can resolve many common issues, ensuring you enjoy countless hours of gaming on your computer with minimal fuss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.